Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of American Airlines weekly settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we click on American Airlines and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of American Airlines. If you find updates here, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.